Here's something nobody tells you about turning 40. The rules of attraction completely change. That cologne you've been wearing since college, it's actually working against you. But stick around, because what I'm about to reveal will transform how women respond to you. Let me tell you about Michael. Successful attorney, 47 years old, great shape for his age. He walks into a room wearing a $3,000 suit and nothing. No heads turning, no second glances. Meanwhile, his colleague David, same age, similar build, wearing a $400 outfit, walks in 10 minutes later. And suddenly every woman in the room notices. What's the difference? It's not the suit, it's not the haircut, and it's definitely not luck. The difference is that David understands something most men over 40 completely miss. Being sexy at our age isn't about trying to look 25 again. It's about mastering the invisible details that separate a man who's just well-dressed from a man who's genuinely magnetic. And here's the truth that's going to save you thousands of dollars and years of trial and error. 90% of what makes you attractive at 40 plus happens before anyone even sees your face. I'm talking about scent and style working together in a way that creates an unforgettable first impression. Not cologne as an afterthought. Not style as just looking professional. I'm talking about a strategic combination that makes you the man women remember long after you've left the room. The scent, mistake that's aging you. Let's start with the biggest mistake I see men our age making. Wearing the wrong fragrance for their stage of life. You know what I'm talking about. That bottle of Acqua di Gio you bought in 2003. That polo blue that worked great when you were 28. These fresh, aquatic, sporty scents. They were perfect for younger you. But at 40 plus, they're making you smell like you're trying too hard to recapture your youth. Here's why. As we age, our body chemistry changes. Our skin produces less oil, which means fragrances don't last as long and don't project the same way. Plus, what smells fresh and energetic on a 25-year-old can smell desperate and dated on a 45-year-old. But here's where it gets interesting. The right fragrance at 40 plus doesn't just smell good. It communicates confidence, sophistication, and sexual maturity. It tells women you're not a boy trying to impress them. You're a man who knows exactly who he is. So, what does that smell like? Forget fresh and aquatic. Think warm and woody. At 40 plus, you want fragrances built on a foundation of woods, leather, spices, and subtle sweetness. Think sandalwood, vetiver, cedar, tobacco, leather, amber. These are the notes that smell expensive, masculine, and age-appropriate. Let me give you 3 specific recommendations that work. First, Tom Ford Oud Wood. This is the gold standard. It's woody, it's sophisticated, it's got that subtle smokiness that makes women lean in closer. Yes, it's $250 a bottle. But here's the thing. You're 40 plus. You've earned the right to smell like you've made it. And this fragrance communicates that instantly. Second, Dior Homme Intense. This one's interesting because it's got iris and amber, which creates this powdery, almost sensual quality. It's not aggressive. It's not trying to announce your presence from across the room. It's intimate. It makes women want to get closer to figure out what that incredible smell is. Third, Creed Royal Oud. If you want something that screams, I'm successful and I don't need to prove it, this is it. It's got OOD, obviously, but it's blended with pink pepper and cedar in a way that's warm without being heavy. It's the kind of scent that makes people assume you're more important than you actually are. Now, I know what you're thinking. These are expensive. You're right. But here's the math that changes everything. A $250 bottle of quality fragrance lasts 6 to 8 months if you're wearing it daily. That's about $1.30 per day. You spend more than that on coffee. And unlike coffee, this investment is actively making you more attractive every single day. But, and this is crucial, expensive fragrance means nothing if you're applying it wrong. Most guys spray cologne like they're trying to fumigate a room. That's not how this works at 40 plus. You want subtlety. You want women to discover your scent when they're close to you, not smell you from across the parking lot. Here's the right way. 2 sprays maximum. 1 on the side of your neck, 1 on your wrist. That's it. The goal isn't to fill a room. The goal is to create an intimate scent bubble that draws people in. And here's a detail most guys miss. Spray on moisturized skin. Dry skin doesn't hold fragrance. After your shower, hit those pulse points with an unscented moisturizer, wait 30 seconds, then apply your fragrance. It'll last twice as long and smell twice as good. The style foundation that makes scent work. Now, here's where most men completely drop the ball. They think fragrance exists in isolation. It doesn't. Your scent is the final layer of a complete presentation. And if the foundation, your style, is wrong, even the best fragrance in the world won't save you. Let me be blunt. If you're still dressing the way you did at 30, you're making yourself invisible to women. At 40 plus, your style needs to communicate three things instantly: success, confidence, and attention to detail. Not, I'm trying to look young. Not, I'm comfortable. Those are the enemy of sexy. Here's the framework that works. Rule 1, fit is everything. I don't care if you're wearing a $5,000 suit or a $200 outfit from Banana Republic. If it doesn't fit your body properly, you look sloppy. And sloppy is the opposite of sexy. Your shirts should fit your shoulders exactly. No pulling, no sagging. Your pants should sit at your natural waist, not below your belly. Your sleeves should end right at your wrist bone. These aren't suggestions. These are requirements. And if you've gained weight since you bought your clothes, get new clothes or get them tailored. Wearing clothes that are too tight makes you look bigger. Wearing clothes that are too loose makes you look older. Neither is sexy. Rule 2. Dark colors are your secret weapon. Navy, charcoal, black, deep burgundy, forest green. These colors make you look leaner, more sophisticated, and more expensive. They also create a perfect backdrop for your fragrance to work its magic. Light colors, especially light blue and khaki, make you look softer and less defined. Save those for the weekend. When you want to look sexy, go dark. Rule 3. Texture adds depth. This is the detail that separates good style from great style. Instead of a plain cotton shirt, try a subtle herringbone or a fine knit. Instead of smooth leather shoes, try suede. These textures catch light differently and add visual interest without being loud. And here's why this matters for scent. Texture creates the impression that you pay attention to details. And a man who pays attention to details is a man who's worth paying attention to. The combination that creates magnetism. Now, let's talk about how scent and style work together to create something greater than the sum of their parts. When you walk into a room wearing a perfectly fitted navy blazer, dark jeans, and brown suede Chelsea boots, you look good. Add a sophisticated woody fragrance, and suddenly you're not just good-looking, you're memorable. Here's why. Visual style gets attention, but scent creates emotional connection. Women might notice your outfit first, but it's your scent that makes them want to stand closer. It's your scent that they'll remember when they think about you later. It's your scent that creates that subtle, subconscious attraction that she can't quite explain. This is the secret that younger guys don't understand and most guys our age never figure out. Attraction at 40 plus isn't about being the loudest or the flashiest. It's about being the most refined. Let me give you a real-world example of how this plays out. You're at a networking event or a dinner party. You're wearing a charcoal wool blazer over a black merino crewneck, dark jeans, and leather dress shoes. Simple, clean, expensive looking without trying too hard. You're wearing Dior Homme Intense, just 2 sprays, applied hours ago, so it's settled into your skin. A woman approaches to introduce herself. She extends her hand. You shake it. In that moment, she's close enough to catch your scent. It's not overwhelming, it's not obvious, but it's there. Warm, sophisticated, intriguing. She doesn't consciously think, this man smells amazing. But subconsciously, her brain is making associations. Expensive, put together, masculine, mature. The conversation flows. She laughs at your jokes, she asks questions, and when you part ways, she remembers you. Not just because of what you said, but because of how you made her feel. And a huge part of that feeling came from the combination of how you looked and how you smelled. That's the power of getting this right. The accessories that complete the picture. But we're not done yet, because there are 3 accessories that take this from attractive to unforgettable. First, a quality watch. Not a smartwatch, not a fitness tracker. A real watch with a leather strap or metal bracelet. It doesn't have to be a Rolex. A $300 Seiko or Hamilton looks just as good as a $5,000 Omega to 99% of people. What matters is that it's classic, well-maintained, and fits your wrist properly. Why? Because a good watch signals that you value time, craftsmanship, and tradition. It's a subtle flex that women notice. Second, a leather belt that matches your shoes. This sounds basic, but you'd be shocked how many men get this wrong. Brown shoes, brown belt, black shoes, black belt. And make sure the leather quality matches. A $500 pair of shoes with a $20 belt looks ridiculous. Third, a simple leather bracelet or ring. This is optional, but if you can pull it off, it adds personality. A thin leather bracelet or a simple silver ring shows you're comfortable with subtle style choices. Just don't overdo it, one piece maximum. These accessories don't just look good, they give women something to notice and comment on. "I love your watch" is an easy conversation and starter that she can use to approach you. The grooming details that matter. Now, let's talk about the grooming details that make or break this entire system. Your fragrance and style can be perfect, but if your grooming is off, you're sabotaging yourself. First, your hair. If you're balding, embrace it. A clean buzz cut or a fully shaved head looks infinitely better than a comb over or thinning hair you're trying to hide. And if you have hair, keep it styled, not gelled into place like it's 1995. Just clean, shaped, and intentional. Second, facial hair. If you have a beard, keep it trimmed and shaped. A well-maintained beard adds masculinity and maturity. A scraggly, unkempt beard makes you look like you've given up. If you're clean-shaven, make sure you actually are. No 5 o'clock shadow, unless it's intentional stubble that's evenly maintained. Third, your hands. Women notice hands. Keep your nails trimmed and clean. If your hands are dry and cracked, use hand cream. This isn't vanity. This is basic maintenance that signals you take care of yourself. Fourth, your teeth. This is non-negotiable. White, clean teeth. If your teeth are stained or crooked, invest in whitening or Invisalign. You're 40 plus. You can afford to fix this. These details matter because they show you respect yourself. And a man who respects himself, the mindset that makes it all work. Here's the final piece that ties everything together. And it's the most important one: confidence. You can have the perfect fragrance, the perfect outfit, and the perfect grooming routine. But if you don't carry yourself like a man who knows his worth, none of it matters. Confidence at 40 plus isn't about being loud or aggressive. It's about being comfortable in your own skin. It's about walking into a room and not needing validation from anyone. When you smell good and look good, confidence comes naturally. You know you've done the work. You know you look better than 90% of men your age. That knowledge changes how you move, how you speak, how you make eye contact. And that confidence, that's what makes you truly sexy. So here's what I want you to do. Pick one thing from this video and upgrade it this week. Maybe it's finally investing in a quality fragrance. Maybe it's getting your clothes tailored. Maybe it's just paying attention to the details you've been ignoring. Start there. Because when you start looking like a man who has his life together, you start feeling like a man who has his life together. And that feeling, that's magnetic. Now, if you want to see exactly how to build a complete wardrobe that makes this style effortless, click this video right here where I break down the 10 essential pieces every man over 40 needs. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.